Hello, my name is Chamalal. I'm junior lecturer at Indus University, Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Today's my topic to study the axis of OR and axis of NOR gate. I'm gonna tell you about to investigate the behavior of axis of NOR gate. I also gonna tell you about the sample, IC configuration, truth table, Boolean expression of axis of NOR gate. Some theory about the access NOR gate is a digital logic gate. That is the reverse or complementary form of access OR function. The output of access NOR gate only goes high when its two inputs terminal A and B are the same. Logic level, which can be either at logic level 1 or at logic level 0. I also gonna show you the simulation of access NOR gate. Here, this one is sample of access NOR gate. This one is a IC configuration of access NOR gate. In IC, the 14 pins, 1 to 7 another side and 8 to 14 another side. 7 number pin connected with the ground, 14 number pin connected with the VCC. IC configuration 74266. This is the number of access OR gate IC, access to NOR gate IC number. So the truth table of access to NOR gate is this, and the Boolean expression of access to NOR gate is this. This one the Boolean expression. This is the truth table of access to NOR gate. If access to OR gate both depends upon the inputs. The inputs are even number, then output will be 1. If inputs are odd number, then output will be 0 in access to NOR gate. So here, both numbers, twice of zeros. So this twice of zeros means the even number. So that's why output will be 1. If this 0 and 1, this is the odd number. So that's why the output will be 0. And 1 and 0, this one is also odd number. So output will be 0. And here, twice of 1 means even number. So that's why output will be 1. I also want to show you the simulation of access to NOR gates. Here, using the multisim software, VCC and ground, two equipment requirement for simulation purpose, VCC, ground, 2 switches, 1 logic gate, access NOR gate, and 1 indicator. So here, both inputs are 0, 0. This even number, twice of zeros, that's why output will be 1. The indicator indicates the shining, so shining is 1. And here, this different odd number, so output will be 0. Both ones, then output will be 1. If A is 0, B is 1, then output will be 0. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, and comment. If you have any question, please subscribe my channel.